to Doodle Art and Fun. I'm Harsha Button and I make almost anything and everything which comes to my mind related to art, DIY or home decor. And this is my first YouTube video and I request your support through like, share and comment on this video and my upcoming videos as well. So without further delay, let's dive into today's video, which is all about block printing. So I'm going to show you the blocks I have. So these are the small blocks I have and I got them when I visited Jaipur, but you can get them online. So I'm going to share the links of these blocks and everything which I'm going to use in the description so that it will help you to get them. So these are some small sized blocks and I have some big size blocks. So there are a lot of variations available in the market and you can customize your dresses, your scarf, your pillow covers, anything you can customize with the help of these blocks and some colors which I'm gonna teach you. Just one thing to mention, that make sure that you watch the video till end because I have shared some tips and tricks with you, so make sure that you check them out. So without further delay, let's dive into today's video. For doing block printing, we need Fevicryl fabric colors. I have these with me, a brush, a cloth on which you want to print, and a testing cloth and blocks of your choice, and the last, sponge. Now take the brush and your favorite color and load this color over the sponge and spread the color evenly over it to have a smooth layer of the color. Once the sponge is spread up, take a block of your choice and tap it over the sponge and take decent amount of color. Make sure that the design over the block gets fully covered with the color, and then you can take a testing cloth and test your pattern over it. You need to tap it with the help of your fist. You are good. Now I'm going to take my scarf and print the same impression over the border of it like this. So the process will remain same whenever you do the block printing. You just need to tap over the sponge and then over the cloth. Now see how beautifully every impression has turned out. Now I'm taking another block and using the same color and technique, I'm printing the impression on the other side of the border. Now I'm taking a different color and I'm going to fill the entire scarf with different patterns and colors. So this is how it looked after using different patterns and colors, and I love the way they have turned out. So now you have seen that how we can do block printing with just colors and just blocks. I'm gonna share some tips and tricks which are really helpful. If you apply them, you will get a very finished product printing. Tip number 1, saving the color. Yes guys, you can save a lot of color while doing block printing. So how you can save it, you need to do some marking like this with the help of marker. So when you do this marking, you need to put this block inside oil, any kind of oil, let's say mustard oil, and let it be there for 2 days, and take this block out after 2 days and wash it with the help of water. Within 2 days the wood will absorb the oil, and when you are going to do block printing with the help of colors, the color will not absorb by the wood. The color will stay here and you can do a lot of block printing as compared to the one without oil. Tip number 2, Make sure that the cloth on which you are going to do block printing, it should lie on the flat surface, because when you are going to put the block, the pattern remain intact. So you need to have a good sturdy hard surface so that the pattern gets printed really nicely. Tip number 3, very important tip. So buy the blocks carefully. What I mean by that, so when you buy a block, make sure that it is not damaged from anywhere. It's not like, picking it randomly just by choosing the design. Once you choose the design, make sure that you are looking at the pattern and see if it is damaged or not. Do not buy a damaged block. So tip number 4, do not overload the block with the color. We think that if we apply more color we will get the more beautiful effect, but no, it is completely a no, because the less you put, more nice pattern you will get. So make sure that you are loading decent amount of color on the block, and otherwise if you put more amount of color, the pattern will get messed up and it will not look good. Tip number 5, wash your blocks with the help of running water once you are done with the block printing. Yes guys, it is really important to take care of the blocks, because if you have a complex design like this where a lot of things are going on, there is a possibility that the color you are using might get penetrated into the pattern, and when you are going to do block printing next time, you will not get the exact pattern what was already there on the block. So make sure that you wash it. So how can you wash it? You just need to take a soft brush and just rub it very gently and wash it with the help of running water. That's it. So this will increase the life of the block and it will remain like as it is. So I hope that you liked the video, and I believe that it was super easy, and whenever you try it, please do tag us on Instagram, which is DoodleArtandFun. I request you to like, share and comment on this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I assure you that I will bring bomb content for you guys. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.